In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split payment in QuickBooks Online. Splitting a payment is really helpful when a single bank transaction needs to be recorded in more than one category. For example, maybe you paid one vendor for both office supplies and software, or a deposit covered multiple customer invoices. Instead of forcing everything into one category, QuickBooks lets you break that payment up accurately so your reports stay clean and meaningful. Let's walk through it step by step, right inside QuickBooks Online. First, look over to the left-hand side of your QuickBooks dashboard and find the Banking menu in the navigation panel. Go ahead and click on Banking. This will open the main banking screen where QuickBooks shows all of the transactions coming in from your connected bank and credit card accounts. At the top of this page, make sure you're on the correct bank or credit card account where the payment actually came through. Then, below that, click on the tab labeled For Review. This is where QuickBooks lists new transactions that haven't been fully categorized or added to your books yet. Scroll through the list and find the transaction you want to split. You can use the date, description, or amount to help you locate it more quickly. Once you see it, click directly on that transaction line to expand the details. On the expanded transaction, you'll notice an Add button. Right next to it, there should be a Split option. Click the Split button. This opens up the Split transaction window, which is where the real work happens. In the Split window, you'll see rows where you can assign different categories to parts of the same payment. In each row, choose the category or account that best matches that portion of the transaction. For example, you might choose one expense account for supplies and another for utilities, or multiple income accounts if you're dividing customer payments. Next, enter the amount you want to assign to each category. Take your time here and double-check your entries. The total of all the split amounts must equal the original transaction amount. QuickBooks will usually show you if the totals don't match, so adjust the amounts until everything lines up perfectly. Once your categories and amounts look correct, click Apply and Accept. QuickBooks will record the transaction using your split details and move it out of the For Review tab into your books. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully split a payment in QuickBooks Online and kept your accounting both accurate and organized.